Hey everybody, Chris here. I know a lot of you out there who watch our videos, you know that my wife and some of my daughters have some food restrictions, so we cook food a little bit differently, and many of you do as well. And you've probably noticed that a difficult thing with having food restrictions is finding condiments, like salad dressing and things like that, that don't have dairy, that aren't made with trash oils like canola oil. And so we are going to make a dressing today, and that's what we're going to show, and then we'll just make a quick salad afterwards. But this is a great dressing that's good on salads. It's good tossed with, chicken wings if you're eating meat. If you're not, then dipped in vegetables. Super delicious, very, very easy. This is a garlic and lemon tahini dressing. Let's do it. First thing we're going to do is infuse our olive oil with garlic flavor. I just have 1/3 cup of olive oil. We're gonna warm on the stove and just put some smashed garlic cloves in there. You don't need to peel these or anything, just smash them in the oil and then on the stove. Don't simmer it, don't cook the garlic. We just want to warm it and draw out some of those flavors. That's all it takes to make this, so let's use it to make a salad. Super delicious salad, but remember, this is not a salad recipe that we're sharing. This is the dressing. Give this one a try. It's so good, goes great on any kind of salad that you want, and it stores for a good while, but I don't think it'll last that long. The full recipe linked in the description of this video. Make it for somebody you care about. Take care.